Hello learners, I'm Akash. I completed my BTech from NIT Rourkela in the year 2020. Currently, I'm a mathematics teacher. Now let us see how to solve this given question. Here we need to evaluate integral under root of 5 minus x by x minus 2 dx. I'm going to go slow. Okay, fine. If you are interested in learning this properly, stay with me until the end. Okay, chalo. Fine. This step I'll explain. I just wrote it. Fine. See. Under root 5 minus x by x minus 2. Okay. Now see. What I'm going to do is, first I'm going to multiply and divide by 5 minus x with inside the square root. I'm going to multiply and divide by 5 minus x inside the square root. If I'll do that, see, I get 5 minus x into 5 minus x is nothing but 5 minus x whole square. In the denominator I'd have this x minus 2 into 5 minus x dx. Fine. Now this step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to split the root to the numerator and to the denominator. Split the root to the numerator and to the denominator. So if I'll give it, so I'll get in the next, this I did not write in the PPT, but I'm just explaining. This would become integral root of 5 minus x whole square by under root of x minus 2 into 5 minus x. Okay. Now the next step, root of 5 minus x whole square is nothing but 5 minus x, because square and root they cancel out. And next, under root of, in the denominator, x minus 2 into 5 minus x is there. Okay. Now just multiply x into 5 minus x minus 2 into 5 minus x, basic expansion. Okay, x into 5 minus x minus 2 into 5 minus x. Okay, chalo. Now x into 5 is 5x and x into minus x is minus x square, and minus 2 into 5 is minus 10, minus 2 into minus x is plus 2x. Now 5x plus 2x is 7x, 7x minus x square minus 10. Okay, this is what I have. Fine. Now this is something we know, right? Integral px plus q by under root ax square plus bx plus c. Somewhat that question now that this has become. Now how to solve this is, we'll take numerator as d by d a into d by dx of this 7x minus x square minus 10 plus b. Okay, that's how we'll solve. Let 5 minus x equal to a into d by dx of this plus b. Now see, derivative of 7x, 7 is a constant, derivative of x is 1, so I get 7, and derivative of x square is 2x. Fine. Let's make it a little interactive also, otherwise just me telling it will be a bit boring. Now 5 minus x is equal to a into 7 is 7a minus 2ax plus b. Now see, write minus 2x in the now see, write minus 2x in the back, because here I have 5 minus x. 7a plus b minus 2x. Fine. Now what I'm going to do, can you guess? Compare corresponding coefficients and constants. On comparing the coefficients of x and constants. Okay, here I just have x, so beside x I have minus 2a, beside x I have minus 1, and constant on the LHS is 5, constant on the RHS is 7a plus b. Now that's what I have. Minus 2a equal to minus 1 and 7a plus b is 5. Minus 2a equal to minus 1 means send the minus 2 to the RHS, so I get minus 1 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel, so what I get is 1 by 2. A is 1 by 2. Now put a equal to 1 by 2 in this, in the second one. 7a plus b is 5, so 7 into 1 by 2 plus b equal to 5. Now 7 by 2 plus b is 5. Okay. Now send the 7 by 2 to the RHS. So b is nothing but 5 minus 7 by 2. Now LCM, if I'll take LCM, 5 into 2, 5 cross 2, 5 cross 2 is 10. So 10 minus 7 by 2, that means 3 by 2. B is 3 by 2. Fine. I hope till now it's clear. Now substitute the values of a and b. Now a is 1 by 2, b is 3 by 2. Put it in 1. Okay, put it in 1. So 5 minus x would be half into d by dx of this plus 3 by 2, half into d by dx of 7x minus x square minus 10 plus 3 by 2. Fine. Now let's get started. Our integral was this, integral 5 minus x by root of 7x minus x square minus 10. Okay, shallow. Now in place of 5 minus x, 5 minus x is this. In place of 5 minus x, you can just write half into d by dx of this plus 3 by 2. Hope it is clear. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to integrate separately and give the denominator also separately, like split, I mean give the denominator to both the terms in the numerator. So half integral d by dx of this by root of this half is a constant, you can keep it outside of integral. Next, half d by dx of 7x minus x square minus 10 by this. I hope this step is clear. So this entire one thing became here. Now 3 by 2 is alone, so 3 by 2 by root of this dx. Fine, don't forget to put dx again twice. So you get it. Okay, I'm explaining again. See, instead of integrating this like this, I'm splitting. I'm splitting, right? Okay, I'm integrating separately. So to do that, and I also gave the denominator to both. Like I wrote this as two separate terms, made it two terms, and I'm integrating those two terms separately. So this would be my one term, like half into this integral, half into this by denominator. That this half I wrote it outside of integral. This half I wrote it outside of integral. Next, plus 3 by 2 by root of this dx. Fine. Now see, instead of integrating them like this, integrate separately. Take my advice, integrate separately. Now this is I1, this is I2. Okay, now let I1 is equal to this. Okay, I'll erase this. It's coming in the way. Okay, as I mentioned, take the first integral as I1, second integral as I2. I1 is this half into integral d by dx of that by under root of this. Now if you'll observe carefully, this is in some form. Which form? See, integral derivative. See, in the denominator I have 7x root of 7x minus x square minus 10. If I'll take this as f of x, if this is my f of x, okay, not the root, just the term inside. If I'll take this as f of x, here I have d by dx of that. That means this is derivative of f of x, d by dx of f of x. In the numerator I have d by dx of f of x. In the denominator I have root f of x. See, once again I am telling. So basically I have something like integral f dash x divided by root f of x dx. This is what I have. Integral f dash x means what? Derivative of f of x. That means d by dx of 7x minus x square minus 10 by root f of x. This is my f of x if you take. Now to this, whenever an integral is of this form, there is a formula which you can use. Integral f dash of x by root f of x dx is nothing but 2 root f of x plus constant. Okay, 2 root f of x. Here what is my f of x? This 7x minus x square minus 10. So 2 into root of 7x minus x square minus 10 plus c1. Here I1 I took, so that's why constant I am taking it as c1. I hope this step is clear. Any doubts, put in the comments. I hope I explained sufficiently. Now half is there, this 2 came from the formula, by application of the formula. Half to cancel, so I1 is nothing but this root of 7x minus x square plus 7x minus x square minus 10 plus c1. Chalo, I2, let us take this as second one. I told, right, this I am taking it as I2. This is my I2. Integral 3 by 2 by under root 7x minus x square minus 10 dx. This is my I2. Now this 3 by 2 now, since it is a constant, you can keep it outside of integration. So 3 by 2 integral dx by under root 7x minus x square minus 10. Okay, let's take a small break before integrating this. I wanted to share something. We all want to, become successful in life, get good money, get a good house, have facilities. We all want. It's a fact. We all want to get good education, get good marks, have good looks, and many things. Have a good amount of money. But why is it that only few people of the world have? చాలా తక్కువ మంది దగ్గర ఉంటాయి. ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పినవన్నీ అన్నీ అంటే లైక్ లగ్జరీ, ఫేమ్ అంటే ఎంతో పాపులర్గా ఉంటారు. See, let me share something interesting. I really like this. We do not get what we want in life, we get what we desperately want. అంటే మనం ఏదైతే కావాలనుకుంటామో అది మనకు రాదు. మనం ఏదైతే కావాలంటే కావాలి అని అనుకుంటాం, అంటే కావాలంటే కావాలి అని అనుకుంటామో that's what we will get. అదే మనకు వస్తుంది. I want that. I desperately want that. Because what exactly will happen? I'll tell you a situation. See, I'll tell you a situation. Let's say there is a person, okay, and his mother suddenly became sick. Like she is in an emergency state. Now he desperately wants to take her to the ambulance. Now, let's say it is a village area, getting an ambulance is tough. Even then, he will keep calling like 108, like get me this ambulance. He will try to arrange a vehicle. He will see the nearby hospital. He will try to get, you see, and ultimately make her mother become well. You get it, right? The situation is like that. You see, like he desperately wants it, and he will put in 100% of effort. Now, let me ask you a question to all of you who want to study nicely and get good marks. ఆర్ యూ దట్ డెస్పరేట్ ఫర్ గుడ్ మార్క్స్? అంటే అంత కసి ఉందా మీలో, నేను ఇలా తెవ్వాలి, ఇలా చదవాలి? ఆ కసి ఉంటే మీరు న్యాచురల్గా చదువుతారు. డెవలప్ దట్. హ్యావ్ ఎ గుడ్ రీజన్, నేను ఎందుకు చదవాలి, వై ఐ వాంట్ టు స్టడీ, టు మేక్ మై పేరెంట్స్ హ్యాపీ, టు గెట్ గుడ్ మార్క్స్, వాట్ ఎవర్ యువర్ రీజన్ కుడ్ బి, హ్యావ్ ఎ గుడ్ రీజన్. ఆ కసి తెచ్చుకోండి మీరు, అండ్ పుట్ ఇన్ యువర్ ఎఫర్ట్ సో దట్ యూ కెన్ డూ బెటర్ దెన్ వాట్ యు ఆర్. ఇప్పుడు చేసేదానికన్నా బాగా చేయగలరు. ఓకే, సో ఐ హోప్ యూ గెట్ దిస్. ప్లీజ్ put in effort and have strong desire for good things of the world. మంచి విషయాల మీద మంచి పట్టుదల ఉంచుకోండి. ఓకేనా? ఫైన్. Now let's not integrate this directly. Before integrating this, we need to convert this 7x minus x square minus 10 to something like perfect squares. Now how to do that? Let's get started. This is what I have, my denominator. I mean the 7x minus x square minus 10. First write the x square term in the beginning. So minus x square plus 7x minus 10. Now take minus common. Take minus common. So minus, if I'll take common x square, here there was a plus, so there came a minus, here there was a minus, it became plus. Okay, now to convert into the perfect square formula, see, this center term I need to write it as 2 into something. I need to write 2 into something, 2 into x into something, basically 2 into x into something. Now there is no 2. Now what to do? There is no 2. Now what to do? So we can just multiply and divide. So I multiplied and divided by 2. So 7 by 2 is here. This 7x I can write 2 into x into 7 by 2. 2 into x into 7 by 2. Fine. Now this is of the form. This is something of the form a square minus 2ab. To complete the square, I need b square. I need b square. So add and subtract b square. If you'll observe here my b is 7 by 2. So add and subtract 7 by 2. Fine. Now these three terms form a minus b whole square. So x minus 7 by 2 whole square. Okay. Now this one, put the 10 in the beginning. So 10 minus 7 square is 49, 4, 2 square is 4. 10 minus 49 by 4. Okay. Now minus of this. Now just take LCM. So 4 would go here, multiply 10 into 4, cross 10 cross 4, 40. 40 minus 49 by 4. Now this is 40 minus 49 is minus 9. So minus came outside. So minus 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is nothing but 3 square by 2 square. So I can write it as 3 by 2 whole square. Now take the minus inside. So this is positive, so this will become negative, and this is negative, so this will become positive. So 3 by 2 whole square minus 7x by x minus of 7 by 2 whole square. Okay. Now see, my I2 will be, see, what is my I2? This, right? So this 7x minus x square minus 10, I can write it as this. So my I2, my integral will be nothing but this integral 3 by 2 integral dx by 3 by 2 whole square minus minus x minus 7 by 2 whole square. I hope this step is clear. Instead of that 7x minus x square minus 10, I wrote this, which we just got. Fine. Now this is of the form integral dx by under root a square minus x square, and the formula is sin inverse of x by a. Ikkada mana a ante here our a is 3 by 2, here our x is x minus 7 by 2. So 3 by 2 is already outside, sin inverse of x by a. So x is 7, x minus 7 by 2. So x minus 7 by 2 by 3 by 2. Okay, now take LCM again, 2 will multiply x into 2. So 2x minus 7 by 2 by 3 by 2, 2 2 cancel. So 3 by 2 sin inverse of 2x minus 7 by 3 plus c2. Yeah, c2 వచ్చింది ఎందుకంటే constant, after integration we get a constant. Here I took it as c2. Now chalo, our final answer. See, this integration I took it as I1 plus I2. Okat I1, okat I2. One I took it as I1, another I took it as I2. So my final integral value is I1 plus I2. Fine. So what is our I1? This plus C1. What is my I2? 3 by 2 sin inverse of 2x minus 7. 3 plus C2. Fine. So C1 plus C2, take it as C, and that's it. This is what is the answer that is given in the textbook. Okay. Fine. Thank you very much for staying with me up till now. Okay. In case you like this video, please hit the like button, and thank you.